Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange and I love weekends because it's my time to craft. For this clay tutorial, I'll be showing you how easy it is to make geode earrings and pendants. For my color palette, I took inspiration from a geode that I saw on Google. For my lightest color, I mixed Primo Sculpey Accents in silver with some Sculpey white and Primo Sculpey Accents opal. For the next color, I mixed Primo Sculpey Accents in silver with peacock pearl. For the dark blue color, I added Faux in sapphire blue. And for the last color, I mixed Faux in sapphire blue with graphite pearl. We'll also need a tissue blade, Primo Sculpey Accents in opal, and a detail needle. First, flatten all the colors into the number 4 setting. Cut each slab into roughly the same size rectangle. Then, layer the colors using white first and then the lightest blue color. Then white again and the next blue color. Then the second to the darkest color, and ending with the darkest color. Carefully roll this out into a log. Then, roll out the darkest color again in the number 4 setting and cover the cane. Roll this out carefully. Cut about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. I initially placed a hole in the center, but when I had flattened out the piece using a manual roller, the hole disappeared. I ran this through the pasta roller into the number 3 setting and used the cutter to cut out my earring shapes. And then I used a detail needle to punch a hole for the earring findings. Now I need to place my crystals on the geode. This is my favorite discovery. I place liquid Sculpey on the lower arch. Then, I got my opal clay and chopped them into tiny pieces, which I then carefully stuck around the arch. This was just an experiment to see if opal could work as crystals, and I'm happy to say that it really does look like crystals, especially when baked. For the pendant, I sliced a thicker piece from the cane. I manually rolled it out with my plastic roller, placing parchment paper on top to avoid sticking. Then using my detail needle, I made an elongated hole at the center, carefully pushing the clay out to the sides. I go back with my roller to remove any raised clay. I also go back with my detail needle to push the sides in to make grooves. I punched a small hole on the top part for my metal findings. And finally, it's time to attach the crystals with a little bit of liquid Sculpey and opal clay. Bake these pieces following the instructions on the packaging. If you're using mixed clay brands like I'm doing, make sure that the temperature is slightly below the baking suggestion so as not to burn your clay. And finally, I get my gold paint and paint around the edges, and just a little bit around the outline. I was really surprised at how shiny it turned out when baked, and they were so easy to make. I think that next time I might try to make coasters and jewelry dishes using this geode technique. I hope you had fun watching this. If you did, do like and subscribe to the Craft Time Studio. Thanks and have a crafty weekend. Bye!